Come on, you gotta wake up. Tom, it's me. Wake up. You're hurt. You're shot. Everybody showed up at church. If you didn't, they'd come get you. Put it down. I said put it down! They're gonna put me behind a wall for what I done.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey.
Hi, guys. Go ahead, Adam.
What do you got going on in there?
That's why I came out here. I have a man friend in the back.
Okay, we won't drive him off or anything?
That's exactly right. I want you children to be well behaved so you don't scare them.
Did you ever talk about the fear?
Mm-mm.
So he's
He was
just
always
telling
confident,
you.
always confident.
Oh, okay. So that makes you feel like you're a freak because you've got all those doubts. The truth is, I think that you have to have a kind of a tolerance for failure to be successful.